How you doing out there, folks? I'm Kerwin Unger, and I'm from Boom Squad Canada on Squad TV. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Kaos Vapsoon Spin 208 kit. This is the device right here, the Kaos Vapsoon Spin. Joint collaboration from Kaos and Vapsoon with the Spin technology. Now this is your packaging. On the back, you'll find a list of all the goodies that come with your Kaos Vapsoon kit and all your mod specifications detailed on the packaging. Now this is your standard dual battery 18-16-50 kit. Comes with a Kaos 120 sub-ohm tank, pre-installed with a 0.20 ohm coil. Comes with a second 0.25 ohm coil, pre-installed with a bubble glass tank, as well with a spare straight glass tank. I happen to have broke my bubble glass tank earlier on, so I'm now sporting the straight glass tank. Slightly less juice capacity, still works just as fine. Now the Kaos Vapsoon Spin 208 features your spin technology. No buttons, very clean face. All you get on there is your USB port. Otherwise, she's a very clean device. Now to power the device, already had it on. So 5 clicks will turn on your device when it is off. 5 clicks will lock the spin dial. So you can't change any settings, but you can still fire. And to unlock, it's another 5 clicks. Now, you can unlock your dial again. Change all your settings. 3 clicks will get you into all your menu options. Or you can go to help settings, you have your mode settings, all your screen settings, everything you need to do along with your power off. So, this device features the bottom hinged battery door. On there clearly marks your positive and negative contacts. Now, I'll get right to the point quick. The only beef I probably have with this device is the hinged battery doors. Most devices I find with the hinged battery doors can be problematic. This one, it works, but that's without the batteries. As you can see, it's not exactly a tight latching battery door. Put the batteries in. Lock it shut. They're not going anywhere now. Just when it's loose, the batteries are out. It's a very loose fit. Doesn't seem like it's tight on there, but it does hold them in place. It does the job that it's at least supposed to do. You're not going to have to worry about your batteries falling out of the device. So apart from that, aesthetically, it's a nice clean device. Nice leather hand grips on the side, not cheaply made, very comfortable, fits in your hand nicely. And with all your settings all on the one button of your device, with a spin for adjustable settings, very easy to use. You don't have to move around the device to change your wattages or any of your settings, all in the touch of one button. As for the tank, your Kaos 120 sub-ohm tank, as far as sub-ohm tanks go, nothing wrong with it. It is a good sub-ohm tank. Now, I wouldn't go out and purposely buy this tank myself. Where it comes with a kit, no complaints with it. It's definitely a good sub-ohm tank, good for flavor, good for clouds. Coil life is pretty good. These do not have the mesh coil option, but as far as your coils go, I can get about 2,000 mLs out of one coil. Flavor lasting well, no dry hits, so pretty good coils. Can't complain about that. Very good all around device. So I would recommend this for pretty much any vapor, whether you're new to box mods, sub-ohm kits, tanks, or you're an experienced vapor just looking for something a little bit different, something to carry around with you. This does everything you need it to do. Very easy to use. The chipset performs very well. Hits very fast to fire. Looks good, feels good, performs exactly how you want it to. Price point on it, very in line with all the other comparable dual 18650 devices that are on the market. So I would recommend it pretty much for anybody. All around tank device. Probably put it in a 6.5, 7 out of a 10 category. It's very good. So we'll take a few pulls off of here. As you can see, very nice cloud output, very good on flavor. So you're getting everything you want out of this and more. That's it for our review today. Hope that you enjoyed it and at least found it somewhat informative. Thanks for tuning in to Squad TV. See you next time. Stay cloudy.